Rabbi, in the Gemara, in the tractate Gerim Bet Hillel, tells that if a man are circumcised, he is a proselyte even if he didn't pass through immersion. But that's not what the halacha is. The halacha is that there's three different things that have to take place. He has to accept upon himself the mitzvot in front of the bedin. He has to have a circumcision. He has to dip in the mikveh. This is why the Gemara says that all converts will have to bring a sacrifice at the time of Mashiach, because that was one of the things that Am Yisrael did at Mount Sinai, which is not possible to do right now. The only thing that's possible to do right now is those three things, which is accepting the mitzvot in front of a bedin. That's obviously a kosher bedin, to immerse in the mikveh, and for men to be circumcised. Anyone that says otherwise is simply mistaken.